You know what I dislike in Dandy's world? That most of the public teams can't survive without a distractor. But Quell made distracting. No, she didn't. Distracting is a fan-made rule. Plus, what's the problem with surviving without a distractor? Don't get me wrong, distracting is fun, but it's really PMO when the whole run decided to restart only because the distractor died on floor 1.
The distractor is Pebble with a dog blush and train whistle, by the way.
Anyway, that's the end of the rant. Shampoo out.